Hello again guys, today I'm sharing with you this wall ornament I did for Christmas. This is very cute and simple project to do. The first thing I did was making a sketch to figure out how I want to make the model. After that I tried playing around with 3D sculpting to visualize the color and shape. I started out by making the initial shapes of the head. I make the eye part wide and the nose a little bit small and down to get that cute elfish look. After tidying up the shape, I started sculpting out the mouth and making little balls for the inside of the eyes. I started to attach the upper eyelid and then very carefully attaching the lower eyelid, fixing the jaw just a little bit, and then it's done. The next part I have to do is make the elven ears. It's a bit hard because it's so small. It takes me several tries to cut the triangle to get the right shape, but at last I can get the teardrop shape to work. After fixing it a little bit, the head is now complete. The next part is my favorite part, which is painting the head. I paint the head using a very cheap pastel chalks I have lying around forever and never used. It takes me a few swish and swash to get it right. Using my hands to apply the red on the nose is the best feeling ever. I used acrylics for the eyes. I put all of the supplies I used in the link below in the description, so if you are curious, go and see it down below. I did this kind of sloppily and I wish I hadn't used wires for the inside. Wires are super hard to control and I ended up wasting a lot of time to make a semi-decent looking horns. Now that it's done, it's time to make a slightly bigger hat than I planned. Next is making the white lining for the head. The next part is making the scarf for our little elf. I see in my stats that very many of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe, it's free and it helps me a ton. I will also launch my Etsy shop and Patreon in the very near future. The next year I plan to upload more clay and 3D art videos. I colored the scarf with a lovely candy colored turquoise. Attaching the horns comes lastly, and then I finished off making the head and body with a lovely blue paint. The last and the most annoying part of all this is to cover the background with the clay. I had a few ideas on how I want to make this. I started off by flattening some clay and covering the back. Punching a hole to hang the decoration and painting the polka dots with golds. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next video.